So today we're going to talk about what research shows about the culture of thinking in society and how it can impact your classroom. So I have a question for you. Are we losing our edge in critical and creative thinking? Research suggests that there is a troubling decline in these essential skills among students, but there's hope. Let's explore how schools can turn the tide by making thinking skill development both challenging and enjoyable. So let's start with the research. Recent studies show that there is a noticeable decrease in creative and critical thinking skills. With technology's rapid growth partly to blame, students are becoming more accustomed to instant answers and less inclined to question and analyze information deeply. So that's what the research says. But what's the role of schools in shaping our future thinkers? Schools have a pivotal role in not just halting this decline, but in reversing it. By fostering environments that challenge students to think critically, creatively, educators can equip students with the tools needed for future success. Something I like to call productive struggle. Productive struggle isn't just about making learning difficult. It's actually about making it impactful. This approach involves presenting students with tasks that require persistence and critical engagement, but also helping them develop resilience and problem-solving skills. Basically, it's like a balance. On one side, you have the challenge, but on the other side, you have the support. You want it to be balanced. Not too much challenge without offering also the support, but not too much support without there being that equal amount of challenge. Hold up, I have a question for you. What games are you using in your classroom to encourage thinking? We are always researching and looking for new resources. Pop it in the comments below, and I promise I'll read them right away. All right, back to the video. So how do we do it? We need to implement fun and engaging critical and creative thinking skills. By integrating these skills through interactive and relatable activities like debates, Socratic seminars, role-playing scenarios, problem-solving games, these activities not only engage students, but also encourage them to apply their thinking skills in various and fun ways. So, you want to be part of shaping a generation of sharp, thoughtful problem solvers? I have a free resource just for you. It's called 10 Ways to Incorporate Productive Struggle into Your Classroom. Just click this QR code. See you in the next video.